welcome back. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I do want to remind you guys today, this is the last video and the last reminder to enter our 3,000 subscriber giveaway. It does end tonight, the 17th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I will use a random comment picker to select a winner, and that winner will be announced tomorrow, June 18th, or July 18th, I'm sorry. So, don't forget, if you have not entered, the link will be below. Enter the 3,000 subscriber giveaway and see who wins tomorrow. So, as you can see from the description down below, today we are going to be unboxing the July 2019 Universal Yums. And it says we are going to the Emerald of the Equator. So we will dive into that in just a second. I do just want to tell you briefly, if you are not familiar with Universal Yums, exactly what it is. So it is a snack subscription that you receive monthly, and every month is a different country. So they do choose a different country to focus on every month and send you snacks from that country. And it is always interesting to try the different snacks. Sometimes it is really awesome and you're like, man, I wish we had these here. And then sometimes you're like, whoa, what are they thinking? So it's just always fun and entertaining and just a great way to try different things from all over. So if you have not signed up for Universal Yums and you are interested, I will put a link down below. The link actually will save you $5 on your first box. Now, they have different plans. You can get the Yum Box, which is the one I get, where you get like 6 or so snacks and then some candies, and it is $15 a month, so it would save you $5 off of that, so you get your first box for $10. They do have their Yum Yum Box that is, I believe, $29 or 20. It's either $24.95 or $29.95, and it is, I think, 12 or more snacks. And then they have their Super Yum Box, which is $39.95, and that has, I think, 20 snacks. But like I said, I will put the link down below. Either way, regardless of which level of subscription you choose, it will save you $5 on your first month. So definitely give it a try. It's just so fun and interesting and unique, so I definitely recommend it. But let's get in here and see exactly where we're headed this month with Universal Yums. And yeah, I may try some of these snacks. I'm not going to promise. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but we will definitely take a look. We'll look at them, we'll read about them. One thing I like too is they have like trivia, and then they have different things in here in a pamphlet that they'll tell you about the country. But they also give you a clue to next month's country, and I always like trying to figure out where we're gonna go, or I love having you guys give me your guesses. So this is what it looks like, and we are going to Indonesia. Right there. Awesome. And then here on the back is a little place you can vote every month, and you can actually upload this, and you can enter to win more free snacks goodies. So, oh, I'm already seeing something that looks awesome. So, Indonesia. Let's see. So here it just gives you like some snapshots. It says pictures. This is the trivia, and it does have the answers in the back for you. And then here's where it kind of starts to go over each of the items that we have. And it'll have recipes sometimes in here as well. And the clue to next month's box. This I like to start with. I don't know why, but I always enjoy starting with this. And then, like I said, I'll give you my guess. You give me your guess in the comments. So it says, we're off to a country with many delights where bazaars and cotton castles are just 2 of the sights. There will be yums unlike any you've known, crunchy sweet berries and crispy spiced cones. I have absolutely no idea. We're off to a country with many delights where bazaars and cotton castles are just 2 of the sights. There will be yums unlike any you've known, crunchy sweet berries, and crispy spiced cones. Y'all, I have no clue. Uh, oh my gosh, I have no idea. Um, I'll think on it and then maybe, I don't know, but yeah, I don't know. Please let me know your thoughts. So let's just dive in here and just get to getting on these snacks and seeing what they like to snack on in Indonesia. So the first thing I'm pulling out and seeing was right here on top. Cassava crackers, black pepper. Now this sounds like something I would absolutely like. If it's like a cracker, chip cracker, black pepper, I think I would absolutely like this. So let's see. Want to try something tasty, spicy, and crispy, but still healthy for you? Then you should try our cassava crackers, rich in fiber and unique in taste, and will carry you to a new adventure. You bet you'll get crazy about this new stuff. Alright, we'll give it a try. There we go. Well, it smells really, really, really good. And literally just, it looks, you can see the black pepper. That is really good. Woo! There's like an after kick of like heat. It says yum, a shrub. That's right, the cassava shrub, whose leaves are pictured on this Yum's package, grow an underground vegetable called, apparently, cassava. Because of how it's grown, cassava is commonly called the tropical potato. The two are so similar in that neither can be eaten raw, and they're both bland until properly prepared. So it is kind of like a potato, and I kind of tasted that, but it does have its own unique flavor, and all I'm tasting now is the black pepper. I mean, it's good. Interesting. I do like those, but they do leave, the one cracker is still leaving my mouth like, okay. All right, so next, ooh, y'all, ooh, these are wafer rolls. Deca, I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. Choco Banana. What? Vanilla wafer rolls with chocolate and banana cream filling. I'm moving to Indonesia. Bananas are pretty ordinary, right? Not in Indonesia, where there are over 300 unique varieties to choose from. I didn't know there was more than, I mean, I knew there were plantains, but other than that, I did not know there was more than one or two types of bananas. Wow. With all these banana varieties, it's easy to see why Indonesians would be inspired to create unique banana snacks like this yum. With a vanilla wafer roll, ooey gooey chocolate filling, and a real banana cream, this yum takes after Indonesia's bonkers bananas. It's anything but ordinary. Y'all, this is going to be so good. I'm going to probably, when I finish filming, go, because it's like 8,000 degrees outside, I'm not going out. Christopher's playing on his game. I'm probably going to find a movie and a blanket and have a snack. So I'm going to save this. Oh, chocolate and bananas. Sorry. All right. And then we have, what are you? Vanilla layer cake, pandan flavor. can definitely feel that it's soft and cakey, but I have no clue as to what. Let's see. Pandan flavored layer cake with cream filling. Grab this green goodie from your box and you'll be holding hundreds of years of history. We'll start at the beginning. Pandan is a category of plants native to Southeast Asia. For centuries, ancient Indonesians used its leaves to make everything from roofs to ropes to baskets to boat sails. The leaves of one particular pandan species, called something that I cannot pronounce, had an especially pleasant aroma, so they used it to add light, earthy sweetness to rice and meat. It's the vanilla of the East. The most famous recipe, pandan cake, just like the one in your hand. A fluffy pandan flavored cake is filled with light cream to make this green treat. It's the perfect fusion of Indonesia's iconic plant and the Netherlands' brilliant baking. Okay. Interesting. Yum, yum. All right, and then we have, where are you? Jagung Presto Corn. Right here. Garlic Presto Corn. Corn nuts with garlic seasoning. With a name like Presto, you might think these garlicky corn nuts come together in a snap, but this yum's ingredients had to travel a crazy long way to find each other. What does Presto actually refer to then? Just wait until you see how fast these yums disappear. Alright, so we'll try these. Garlic corn nuts. Ooh, I smell the garlic. I actually almost smell coffee. So, they look like corn nuts. Those are good. Okay. Then we have UP noodles. Sour novelty gummies. Oodles of noodles. Okay, so that's cute. So it's just sour gummies. So Christopher will like this. But I like how it is a play on oodles of noodles. Ramen noodles. I actually really like ramen noodles. So there's that. And then we have Bing Bing White. Okay, I don't know. Bing Bing white wafer, white chocolate, and coconut coated wafer with cream filling. Did we mention we're visiting the country that produces the most coconuts in the world? With 4 layers of crispy wafers, 3 layers of cream, and a rich white chocolate outside covered in coconut. This yum is the best way to try the country's most plentiful crop. Yes. Yum. All right. It's gonna be so good. And then we always get our yum bag right here. And this will always have 2 or 3 different kinds of candy in it from the country. So it's always fun to try. All right, so this first thing looks like we have 2 different kinds. We have 3 pieces of each. So this is the first one. Gulas Tamarind candy. Tamarind flavored hard candy. Tropical tree. The seeds. Yeah, this authentic taste of Indonesia's most multifaceted fruit. You might need to save an extra candy to rub on your forehead because your mind is about to be blown. Okay. So it's some kind of like fruity candy, I guess. And then we've got 3 of these guys. Perrigo 2-in-1 Melon Milk Chewy Candy. Right there. Melon and milk flavored chew. Ever craved a sip of cream after eating cantaloupe? No? Well, you're in for a totally new flavor experience with this milky melon sweet. Candies that combine milk and fruit are insanely popular in Indonesia. So let this candy be your first foray into a whole new world of creamy fruit combination. Who knows? The next time you chow on a melon, you might find yourself reaching for the milk. Spoiler, it's not the same. That is interesting, and I'm going to try one. But melon and milk? I just don't know, but we're about to see. So this is what it looks like, and it has like, if you can see there, it has like a white center. It is very chewy. I definitely taste melon. And then at the very end, you do kind of taste this like milky, creamy flavor. But it's actually, I mean, it's really good. It just is like it's like melon and cream to me, not melon and milk. And it actually combines really well. So I like it. So that was our July 2019 Universal Yums for Indonesia. Again, I'm going to remind you guys of the clue. Let me know your guess down below because I honestly don't know that I have one. I'm so baffled. We're off to a country with many delights where bazaars and cotton castles are just 2 of the sights. There will be yums unlike any you've known, crunchy sweet berries, and crispy spiced cones. Where is this? I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Anyway, I hope you had a good time watching me unbox this and try these. These were really good, the things that I did try, and I cannot wait to try that chocolate banana. Ooh, yum. Okay, so again, don't forget about the 3,000 subscriber giveaway. It does end tonight, so make sure you do enter, and the winner will be announced tomorrow. So thank you so much, y'all. I hope you have a fantastic evening, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.